Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Safa Dani Sayyed. I am in 4th standard. My school name is Haji Ghulam Muhammad Azam Semi-English Primary School. Today we are speech about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. His father name was Pandit Motilal Nehru and his mother name was Swarup Rani. Every year, Nehruji's birthday celebrate Children's Day. Nehru married Kamala Nehru in 1916. Jawaharlal Nehru as also Chacha Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as first Prime Minister of independent India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru died from heart attack on 27 May 1964. Happy Children's Day to all my friends and teachers.